Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. I took a moto from Ica to Huacachina and it cost around 10 to 12 sols to come till here. Checked into the hotel. This is the hotel where I stayed. Here you can see in middle of the desert the Oasis, and the stay here costs you cheaper if you come here directly and book, whereas booking online is more expensive, and it costs around 50 sols per person for a stay in Huacachina. Checked into the hotel, took a shower, and now heading for a buggy tour with sunset, and it costs around 40 per person. If you are doing as a couple and just one buggy, then it will be super pricey, around 400 sols. Also with the same guys booked the tour for Paracas, so they were asking 100 plus, but I negotiated and it cost me around 75 to 80 sols for Paracas tour. So we are doing the sandboarding. You can see the sandboard, it's fun. Whoa. When in Peru, do try the pisco sour for sure. This is the best drink. Yesterday was amazing. The buggy ride as well as the sandboarding, that was quite fun, and the sunset, oh my god, that's so beautiful. So I suggest you guys must do this tour for sure. And now from Huacachina I'm heading towards Paracas, and that is through the same people in the hotel that I booked the tour for Paracas, and they will drop me after the tour in Paracas itself, from where I can head towards Lima. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.